ho agye to me say ye
Adwumayefo me mamo ayiko
ya ye
na former way
master me wa ha
na nanu cement me kotoma mo se mo fa nya adwuma no sai na former uhu cement no
oh master wunim ade papa pa
that's right
unisam cement okofa ba ye no se wo to house o se wo gba price no se wo twa blocks o se wo to blocks o ama ye adwuma ye mbre
Unisem cement that's ramati so we mason we labourer we foreman na so pesa wadwuma ye fa ya kono na gina painting dia that is the product Unisem cement your bottom and a paper mu die
na so bi pe cement papa say ya ehemfa no be bi ato
so we pe Unisem cement bi ato e wa chim dan ni mpatam ha we be some cheese enterprise your amantra ya ni Dukes filling station and di ehwani mu fry 0243 583 190 and 0540-659-865. So we amazing and now foreman. Now we the enipa beto cement babru 50 bags so ye chewa de free. Some chi enterprise and the aba achim dan amantra ye ni Dukes filling station edi enhwani mu.
Hey kweku eja menu ye dan want sakra
enya se okay
enti dem titi na no kure eja wadu amuntie eye sam ampa mochi ana mo siesie nsano sam ampa mochi se odi hye bi film se yo mame o papa oba bema pani anakoda odi ne kodan sam ampa mochi da untu sika ngui kura won be siesie nipa no akora ne kakran fefa kona kono ama obeyi wamu no oda ho ana osresa begin safin wo ani tiatiefo se wo odi hye be film bia me kanfo sam ampa mochi ama se eho ani the right place so odi hye no ko esan se na ye nim sam se nipa de ofim no abusua anwon to tom se be ye wa yi a eye mochi ani ade ko entenu ani sam ampa mochi enfo ni nkyere ba bia na obeyi odi hye no no sansre enam koyon be fa so asiesie nipa dua no woni be jikeke sam ampa mochi e wo mo from junction wa bra wodi wani akere achim asanteman kwan no bonso se nifa so a ya twida ne fita ebuo hyepe e hon so kama me pa cho je from keke e wo 0208 360777 anase 0550 420 202 sam ampa mochira na nipadua no be yi no na otese de osate asia moja di no mofrisa ne me se sam ampa mochira na rest as you live
Mechi wodi sa ya de nyina sutumfo
we de yo menoma sanu bio
mame he e de adura
eye chidie heba mixture
afa no wahu no aduru we na no me dedam ha mintimi sorry me nom ya mitimi sorry sadri se ohonam eya wo ya anase ebia ope immune booster ni paduam ana etwetwe wonom a otimi sole prekompe etu ya dias omunsan ewo ikunindie heba mixture obi a owo stomach pains ulcer anase ontimi ndidie menstrual disorder menstrual pains adura etimi ne pa eyenkunindie heba mixture
na edrum ye no we nko an omoye
dabi yade bia how bia omowo anu aduru ewo ho
manu mo ya me ho atomi die me pese me call mo ho mo fa hen
kwakwesi edu heba center for ewo akem asubua eho na obehu won upebi ata drugstore bia ewo fitiri pharmacy shop heba shop bia ebi ewo ho akem asubua main station ope kwadwo drugstore ebi wo ho sanso na Cecilia ata nkwantanum oda ubenya bi wo na natwemasi drugstore Madalena Hotel Aseope Papa ya meka na sem oyodifo ankasabu enti se wo sunsumu amane sunsumu ha fakodan kwakuase edu heba center and prayer camp na we ya de be free so anase wo be fro difo kwasha e wa homa we so 0545 595070 and 0247037564 kwakuase edu heba center nubra ene hahama fie ene
Bema, na obam peble yo ne nam he na o sha srafo atade.
Ei obabra me se me ho kura adwure me. Eye suku bi obi di ho adanse kire me o. Enene asesa me ba ya brabo yi. Se wa twere wasin so he ya twere. Na se wuntwa bomodi na kopie mu o.
Ei na suku ben kwa no no.
Eye Great Omega Academy.
Great den.
Great Omega Academy. A na chiri kwa no wo koforudua kokrantumi. Apue mantamu he ya.
Sa epue mantem he ya. Number da ben.
Obabra me se suku yi e ba ye enyene. Se ye wo na ututwa so nko ade a wo twere so hwe a utwa. Omoye courses ni bi ti say general arts, visual arts, business, home economics, general science and afi technical. Baby a obeda so podie e mane nyi wadwendwe suku no wo hostel kese e won mo de amasuafo.
Unia ene fa me ko hono men.
Ewra ji pani kwa kirefo ni number na friend na ji mu nkyeremu. E 0243 21 47 20 and 0543 90 9502. Great Omega Academy. Impossible is possible.
Malaria ya banana drew nabo tenate. Fix Herbal, the Fix Mala mixture. Wa boni pitu, wa boni bede. Na otu malaria se prekupe na aba. Se wuti yo wenu mato. Wa powder nsisi wiye. Akwa hospital ana akwa ye test ma wosi enya malaria. Ma malaria nzi unye bio. For Fix Mala mixture na obama wa pomuzin prekupe. Kwa drugstore ana pharmacy shop ne benya Fix Mala mixture ato. Na se pendudu etwa ko Fix Herbal wo adenta kantamanso. Ana frɛ 020-844-4442. 020-844-4442. Fix Mala mixture dri. Obi a wenyin san. Anorma bofraba enufu. Ana bofraba onzi mfidwe bien mfa. Fix Mala mixture. Enkratu FDA apenodo.
Hey, where do you drone your drampa? Or sister dompe bow? A drone ye dear shimmy my coming will say, share, and then ye yafo when you know yo. If you say fury to ya, won't to ye bium, said your Mrs. Ye Gina Sopan and Moya trainer no. Where do you sister dompampa? Ya dompe heba center. Ye nimo datano, and Akofa or sister dompe bam diaba. Ejuma dimbe and waya. Ama hunemu ya. So I come up, Emma Nemebu. We ni wakoye jumebi ema hunam nyina ye oya wodi ya ne so benya osisiri dompe ba mnibi eyema mesin fo adrova fo ene jume bi a woye so koto dwemu na ewe waposo sasabro ene tetewa anaye mpo se wonsa anasa wonan efrichi wodi ya ne se wodi twi you are free to go and no bi hwewa ose no pain na so waje so no pain nemo hye so se yade bi ha wo ni titire ene wodompe mu yade bia no wodi ba PM e dompe herbal center anu no awo akimodan going filling station chen wono mo a osisiri dompe ba mi enye na e wo memu pharmacy shops drugstores anase herbal store biemu wo pen dudu etu a dompe herbal center e wo edum kumase akimodan ni mpatem so e wo dompe herbal center ene going filling station no e bo ho pe bibia ni afre 0545 720913 or Sisri Dompe Bam. No pain.
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehuna ma toso fefefe sei
classic ointment said you see enam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma kade ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mre ko pa bie de se ekro na agu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ
classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ
ointment ne powerful pa
hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ni aloe vera papaya petroleum jelly cassia alata hunam na ni baabia ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no enu ane se anopane nwumre bia wadware wie no wode classic ointment no bi ebesremu na behu se yes ointment papa bi wo baabi
me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama agye me se enye nanso wo pharmacies chemical ne herbal shops
ane titru wo hene na herbal koforidua frisia baako and sons kumasi adum ore pass herbal okaisia kra netufo so afre 0544 791 600 ana 0500-799-833.
FDA agye edwede nkrato yato.
Kojo mama me wa ha utu me dan no bro wan boa me a ene medofi he ya me ko ba bia mai oyare ede na how mimu bisisi medakwa mitumi na wopa ma menko machinsamra na cheke menante se guda how ogira on pokra mahu yentuka se siai medoko boakwa heba clinic ewo achim oda bangalo ahonjo junction hwa ajabo to fie ho ewo ya uboi ni osisi a odi betumi puni ne nyina betu akọ prakope boakwa heba clinic Dr. Ufori eda no owo good medical background ni pompempema wasa on yade no ano ntimi nka yemamu ana monone hepatitis typhoid diabetes ulcer emuyade ohona mu netutu sisi muyawo kronko yade be pressure na also prostate beka yade be na majayade be doctor ibete ne te amosi udadam na doctors a ono mu ye adwuma no obo nimde enti ohombeto tie ayare sabie kutamfidi papa omukrafi amonone ebi ne massaging equipment diagnostic equipment omusawo detoxification machines machine yade atwe efin ane no mabone a emoni padua no efri
free ni paduanim de hom no se oma na ya bibiduro no no mo de wafa emfidie mu ahu ya de kro ansana omo de account omo ya adwuma abrebia omo giri nipa honti omo no border from kra omo number 0240 22 69 24 ana 0248 503 189 yanko Boakwa Herbal Clinic ewo Achimoda Bangalo Ahonjo Junction ajabo de fiewa na obesipi na wasiu dadem Boakwa Herbal Clinic ye boa mo pomudin SCP
aha nikanika wakano ho ofo wasi enanso be badasem
Kwaku misi me di yemi
bisa atuadi bisantimanya kwai bra nyabotre yenko bisa nyame Herbal Clinic eya yaresa bia soronko a omu afidi a okwa wonsai na de atoso ebe kire yade woni paduanu na owie wasan kire wanu aduru bisa nyame Herbal Clinic umuni kokwa ama okwa minim kwa sade na de manyaw wawi kontomlem no yenko say yes stroke diabetes koko enam yade bia say gonorrhea syphilis HIV enokra de otenete ebe ye ho bisa nyame Herbal Clinic obemu waduru atu asese ta na mo a atwe omo so no waduru ebe yini napie yade ontumi sa kwata ena achacha asa diake na soabra bisa nyame Herbal Clinic how to betwa na de kra ne se oba ono ma card folder ena se obehu dokota ni na ye kwa ye nje ohwe enfidie do be fam ni na so untua bibia de hian se okuta 50 Ghana ana 1 million 100 cedis ni amount do say tam me pacho hwemachira kwan e wa achimda quarters usi ya bisa kwadampo ye be cho ba bisa nyame Herbal Clinic wo ana fre dokota pani e wo 0544 127 709 ana se 0246 824 135 bisa nyame Herbal Clinic bisa nyame na obejo so basin abro ma nanonda say ya
Ohima mianka mbojuma ewo mpem na asema yeme wo mpem pa o
menua kawa kuma ato yem amaje Herbal Clinic esa enyadewa nyina wono esa enyadewa bi to se bema wayemre ewo mpem bema wontomenwo wo ema afemu nso amaje esa enyadewa bi to se asekeka wo ba wontomen enwo nso amaje behwe na watenete ede amawo
se krampo na mefe dware bana so me ho keka me de se zongola chichi ena achimio
dabi amaje esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo bubu eguho anase woni pedie nyina ayemre wodane woni ede kire amaje Herbal Clinic wonom ewo emfidie wo ho a wonom ede ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonom amaw anwedru wobehu amaje Herbal Clinic kire kwan ewo odan aboabo ene gas filling station no ene di nhwene mu fra won ewo telephone number edidi soyi eso 0244 877 840 anase 0205 045 655 ko amaje Herbal Clinic nanya wa yaresa
Ghana akuafue Adama West Africa emamo adwuma o Adama West Africa eye agrochemical company wo Israel na watena se ahwehwem ahunu se akuafue tomne bia emfue timi gimafuo nyina ede boso ni titiru ene esre se esre na agi wafuo aboso dia ene na mekanfo agile ede amount wudua no bi ti se enkruma tomatoes nyadoa watermelon meko ayoyo anafei abroba abra esre na fifi fofora eba no hwehwe agile na first spray esre so ansa no watu akwa akotim anasa wo de watimi mpo awie no na wo de agile spray esre ni nyina so hye no so mema esre ni nyi bebre ansana de agile akwa spray so de hia se obehwe 10 tomatoes eketo no wahye ba akopɛ de agu kafukafu afidie yimu na do ensuo 15 liters afra wo de spray pe wawie wadwuma se wo de agile spray wafu ase a emma enhyerene a wo no ban na agu no entingu eno achi no akuefo mo nso dua bibi ti se beans enkate ana fe so ya beans no mo nso hwehwe vezil ekumfue na se prekopɛ edi free sa no be ye ase de se wo ye nie unya hu se emfue na hyase e ba pe hwehwe vezil na first spray na se wo de spray so pe ubetu emfue na se nyina wo to vezil a betimi de spray wafu na se empre nwotwe eno kro ya nso spray 1.5 acres eya no afa 30 mils ana se obesusu atra ye dididie no miensa na wo de nsuo 15 liters afra benya bia to ewo agrochemical shop bia eben wo Ghana fa na nyina ana se wo befre 0544 325 030 ana 0270 575 030 Adama West Africa Ghana kuafo ye jimudi.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Yo, Charlie Radio so I tasty. Fise mitie kwa bena kosti. Ewo Ahenkan FM 93.3. Hey, easy.
Hello guys. Ghana, this is a girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Don't tell me that. It's me sweetie baby, power kuma mame. Mental that time for baby you and me. Why they be a weanty? Mommy go crazy. And you want to see my need. I want to have a blessed day.
Show Charlie Radio so I tasty. It's a meeting Kwabena Kwesti. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3.
Yeah,
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Show Charlie Radio so I tasty. It's a meeting Kwabena Kwesti. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3. Be easy. So I tasty. If it's a meeting Kwabena Kwesti, our Ahenkan FM 93.3.
I know they never, baby. No. I know they too working in with that auto. And them reps so yeah, they try with judging it. 21st century, you still get this kind mindset. The body, I love you, Janya, my basa. And then you walk out. Auto. Matisa mama mpe masem kete fise me ya santiba adoye wu matisa papa so chimi amewo ampe meni mwo adoye wu so nkwana mi de onkwana mi de onkwana mi de onkwana mi de so nkwana mi de onkwana mi de onkwana mi de onkwana mi de.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Love for you, yeah, baby. Hold on, I love you so much. Anything I could do for you, baby. I'm missing you. You'll be my dream come true. Those people know no love. I go fight for you, baby. I'm missing you. You'll be my dream come true. Those people know no love. I go fight for you. Adore you. Matisa mama mpe masem kete fise me ya santiba adoye wu matisa papa so chemi amewo.
Hello Ghana, this is a girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
I need explanation. You should tell me. You know be hypo. Yamu ya me know the air bad. Nothing the way you do it. I know if you say I know they lie. If you know there be nobody, they over me and you probably cause the girl you want my baby. Because you want my baby. You probably cause the girl you want my baby. You want my baby. You probably cause the girl you want my baby. Because you want my baby. You probably cause the girl you want my baby. You are my baby. You be the one day me want to lie. Me can get you off my mind.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah. Me not like you. Although not chilling me same thing time. You be the different feeling, different healing. Anytime when you start by. Sing this song for you.
Hello Ghana, this is your first Kalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Boss. Hey,
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
It's hard now, Chairman, who be too kind. See what my means to ye, I can be you move by a say, about to go see a year. The about the sun now, what my don't pep, what can be seen. Baby, you know,
have a blessed day.
The grind all day, got that money, come pay diary. As I travel, go the far away, I don't hear of you again.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
As I travel, go the far away, I don't hear of you again. No, day and night, you see they make me go insane. Oh, damn, baby, oh, damn, baby,
Hello Ghana, this is your first Kalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
That's right, show. Beautiful Thursday morning here on the 3.3 FM. Fox back on your radio. And yes, indeed, this is what we like doing best. I hope you all doing good. I hope you all doing great. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Right, so 17th day of the month, February 2022, and of course, we are still in the month of love, and it's still tuned into the best mid-morning, undoubtedly, here on 93.3 FM. My name has always been Jenny Mechampon Boat in the Cosmos. Call me Jabru's man, call me Kwabena Kwesti, call me Abrantipa, the perfect gentleman, and of course, we here, we up in the building from now to 12 p.m. It's a Thursday, and you know what we do here? Odo Sunny. Oda baby. Da baby, na me so me da baby. Right, so music of Chenyo, we call this one da baby. I love this song. That's right. Oda baby. Na baby, na me so me da baby. Right, so as usual, I will bring you a motivational message and also Counselor's column will be up on your radio. So Counselor Adrian will join us for that segment. But in the meantime, if you don't speak English, how are you doing? If you speak at the time, if you speak FF1, if you speak break, if you speak Awazayade, if you speak Frafrala, Grushi Kwete, if you speak in Zaman Cordia, if you speak Fantua today, if you do speak Key, the part I want to say, if you speak Swahili, Habari Yako, Obi, I want to say. Right, so big shouts to my taxi drivers in town. Yeah, big shouts to my taxi drivers. Big shouts going out to Brad David. Big shouts to you, Obama. Oba time. Stagger. My Pasco. MP3. Bright Weezy. You're from a if you see a taxi driver, no pay. I mean, we shy cry. You pay your money. As a travel, go the far. I see a battery car. Problem was right, so 30 after 10, tune in to 93.3 FM. Adwuma. My part will be I want to say. Money fast, like I see a point command. A wonderful production team. Of course, you are the Padumas. Mr. Charles, Nanato Pahin, Gegeman, Bunkumnifan, Oman Kobe K, and DJ Shabo is still under the radar. Speedy recovery. Oda baby, da baby, na me so me da baby. You never hold some mama for a Katia. Atia don't go, or a phone back to the phone. Atia no man, my friend, I want for. No, don't call ya too, so I call ya one more. So I call
to this one, Mama Sonte Prequay, Mama Sonte, I'm a supra, made him. So we'll go, yes, and I want to be swam, Mama Sonte Prequay, Mama Sonte, Mama Sonte. As I travel, go the far away, I know hear of you again, no. Day and night, to see they make me go through pain. As I travel, go the far away, I know hear of you again, no. Day and night, to see they make me go through pain. Into your daughter, maybe, oh, damn it, damn it, damn it, so me, damn it. Run, need a maybe, oh, damn it, damn it, so me, damn it. Oh, damn it, oh, damn it,
Have a blessed day.
It's harder now, try me say who be too kind, no. See what mommy so yenny na kami chim mo pa ya ba ya ne say e bet na go see every year. See about the sun now what mommy don't pep what kami sing. Baby you know say if you are the one marry. I dey grind all day, got that money can pay diary. As I travel go the far away, I don't hear of you again, no. Day and night, to see they make me go through pain. As I travel go the far away, I don't hear of you again, no. Day and night, to see they make me go insane. Oh, damn it, oh, damn it, damn it, so me, damn it. Oh, damn it, oh, damn it, damn it, so me, damn it. Oh, damn it, oh, damn it,
Alright, so some 33 minutes after the affair, change your on the background. That may be. That's right. And there are many Gisenia, CCR, the Ghana music is taking a new twist. Yeah, like the youth are doing wonderfully well. And trust me, if this is how Mamumba and the Ajo, Ghana music will definitely go far. Ghana music will go far. By means of all. But you see, now the problem is a man more TikTok, no. Maybe problem I'm open a man more TikTok, no. I think said this time around they are changing. Because first Ghana ni pan, not the Nigerian, not the TikTok or the Nigerian, I'm sorry, not the TikTok near the enough. You see, this time around one, young kind of great. TikTok, no, as a man, no. I can't say, I might know my trend you. And I am my more TikTok, yeah, no woman Nigeria for you trendy. But I love how, you know, as you see, I know man is sunny out there. Like how they did to Kamido Sugarcane. And in fact, I was very impressed. And then share. I think it's first. What is it? Is it 100 top 100? African music on Apple, yeah, sugarcane, and the top chart, and I mean, as a result of this TikTok thing, and a man I'm gonna call worldwide, and then the people are streaming the whole of Africa. Sugarcane is topping Apple, I mean Africa, and I am streaming. I am streaming. I'm just free downloads in the end. Success or free. Me say. That me penum be my yam in hey, that's a 7 me 2 minutes. So Benyan no mama. So cofa you know you. I am streaming artist in Jessica. And the free downloading at the people so far quite so born the we are no more. But you know what? Let me thank you back, So there's this song, Ahendra. I bought me dreams, and I was asking myself, say, hey, now where you show? Where you there? Right. So this is the song. Listen to this song, yeah. When baby was catch me.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Turn it up a little bit.
to realize that you were telling me lies. Though I can't sleep, you can't sleep. We've been going through the same thing. I don't speak, you don't speak. Thoughts saturating our brains. Actions speak louder than words. You don't need a microphone to tell me you get lonely too. 'Cause you're not all alone. Lonely. I get lonely. Just like you keep telling me you love me. You keep telling me you hate me. I've come to realize that you don't know what you want. You wanna come back to my arms, but all you do is off skin front. You magnify my
Alright, so this is Chase Lonely.
Me, I'll never be right.
And I'm from yesterday, and I'm born in ways.
Tell me, baby, I'll go.
I keep asking myself,
Action speak.
I gonna buy your talent too.
You don't need a
yeah, Chase, J So, Skillions. In fact, Skillions team Nina, Brad Kelvin. We just name them. Charlie Chamfe. Is there a Chamfe a choir master? I'm OJ Black and so you're choir master.
Just like you.
Raquel, there, who will be our father?
Just like you.
And call for teach on the youth, no, baby, now for Raquel. Raquel, for example. More pemu news, chat baby, no. More for Raquel news, you are dear.
Just to prove a point.
Sometimes will be say, me a strong lady, me a strong lady, she from me home, about crowd there and then. But now when you're strong, Raquel, and I'm a what?
Lonely.
Yes, what they are buying, oh, yeah. You caught telegram one year body didn't come ever. You see, Tamasa, Raquel, I did buy us. Sometimes I'm good at PSP. It is only PSP. I really know PSP. Then I get some PSP. I am a fast when you are the end of PSP. This one. So, choking, I will be at that. I'm in the cushion pillow. I see, say, now, I'm in the blanket, not Katami home. Fasha, I'm a film mother. Share. Who you are, where, Basha? You see, internet never forgets. Mr. Roman, you see, Tiwa Savage, I said, you know, she's a strong lady, she's this, she's that. Internet never forgets. When you 50 years ago, we will still bring the video. And all these things, oh man, the best of her, please.
You can't sleep.
I am more fan of what the emphasis you are there, and I say, I mean, lesson. I'm on yesterday. I'm a good morning, Cassia, and come on, I mean,
you don't need a microphone.
I'm Bright Odro.
Tell me,
my own brother Bright Odro. And in the wolf here, I see Yanchia.
I get lonely.
May I sure say Joshua, right?
I get lonely.
Then Joshua, so that I'm going to send you a throne. Charlie Joshua, I'm sure. We are sure say Joshua. Right, Anthony, Daniel, Osofo, Yao Prince, and Alfred, Isaac, and Ponsan. Every Bright Odro, CEO of Bright Electricals and Engineering Works. Bro, good morning, I want to say. You are welcome. Charlie, we talk country. You share well last year, Saturday in Shabby. I ain't sharing preparation. I'll say
I'll never be right. If I'm in the wrong direction, tell me, baby, I'll go right. Actions speak louder than words, so you don't need a microphone to tell me you get lonely too, cause baby, you're not alone.
If I drop our messages for 0594-841-044.
Lonely, I get lonely.
Now, and then on counselor's column. Like, you better how to stop being jealous in a relationship. What's him wrong? Was it? Yeah. You can. Over to me, you can stop being jealous. People are jealous, man, you feel cry. People are jealous, man. Chase. Move slowly. Charlie, person don't mind me killing me slowly or something. I think it's out to be so. Check him out. And yeah, I didn't know. I think out to be has new business. So you're jealous. I will be uboko. Obi say your banana near to find him planners also very jealous. You be say telling me you to find him home my baby. So do can who the talent was I didn't ever so. I never come and pay what to find him when he say. Is it in as much as the girls do so? Or chairman is soon be also. You easy who is car or your dread? Who is car your dread? But maybe problem I come sound when they say. I'm a Dawson, you himself with some memory. Usa whisker, which but Joe Tassasi. Maybe problem, you know. Yeah. It's a new way I come out of paying girls, Nina. One for your mind and two for John to point him cool slowly. Nobody I go give it to you, make you wanna run to your daddy. Follow my lead and make you know they don't yeah. Girlfriend, me really want to put you the ground and give me some food. I know you get a gig down low. See the way you down low. You killing me softly. I'm begging you, shorty. Know they like when you do me like this, then you do me like that, then you do me like say I be on. You killing me softly. I'm begging you, shorty. Know they like when you do me like this, then you do me like that, then you do me like say I be on. Mercy, this girl too sexy. She killing me softly. I'm loving it. So back it up for me, girl. Woman too thirsty. So she won't come test me. Oh Lord, have mercy. Another round, she back it up and I want to the ground. You killing me softly. I'm begging you, shorty. Know they like when you do me like this, then you do me like that, then you do me like say I be on. You killing me softly. I'm begging you, shorty. Know they like when you do me like this, then you do me like that, then you do me like say I be on. My fire they burn, no time pele. When I they come, girl I know they kill it. I kick it in, you have any pele. Girl I go bite you so hard like you will it. Lie, tonight. Woman make a top up your love life. Make I give you what you like. Make you they count from 1 to 69. Hit me softly. I'm begging you, shorty. Know they like when you do me like this, then you do me like that, then you do me like say I be on. You killing me softly. I'm begging you, shorty. Know they like when you do me like this, then you do me like that, then you do me like say I be on. I've been places, seen my chicks, never seen a booty shake like this. You from Africa, what the fact is. All the gal them back sick, so all the boy them practice. Stack this, to tap this. Alright, so 45 after 10. Let me see my motivational message. Let me tell me Kyle said, I'm our daily dose of motivation. I'm inspired by Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, so make and say Busumi we mo no nya afi wako. Busumi we mo no nya 1 year. Inti still na enyoma course on ade. Inti me patcho so wuchie mi samre na bia wo pese opo bi betwa engagement no. You try wedding, you know, outdoor, you know. In fact, a birthday party, you know. Open photographer and also open videographer. Michelle, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, and I'm recommending them out. For you, school crests and as a badges, church Lacoste embroidery, school Lacoste embroidery, face taro, cap embroidery near the. We also train people on photo shoot and a video editing and a video shooting near the. You watch more than. Liberty Transport, opposite Kendall Pharmacy. Still now free photo shoot a course of the terms and conditions. And Tibo Raho, Over to me, friends, who was 0245 276638. 0245 276638. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now, my motivational message on the page. So never stop doing your best just because someone doesn't give you credit. Never stop doing your best because someone doesn't give you credit. Adia we bia dem fast woba. Me pacho menjaye because nkofo mbo wabaso. Nkofo nkasa waya adio. Nkofo nkase ubo adwuma o. Nkofo nkase onko na wo ya ade yo. Make sure say credit in buy and as abaso body in buy. Don't stop doing what you are doing. Don't stop doing your best. Keep doing. See, you want nkofo bi wo hon mo shada. Omo de na deliberate offense. Me ya ma ya bo mabaso. Tubo e man sa o ya na obi amba na baso anagese na be mubu. Ba se wo no ukuta adwen fan na wo de ye nko ade a koso ana ye se obi embo wa baso obi nkan cho se ade a wo ye di ye ade a wo ye de koso ana ye. You may not know what who is watching you. Woni mo bi o hwe. So just keep doing what you're doing. And ma be mumbu because obi a wo expect it sometimes aya obi shada twen se asubesi bi embo na baso. Aye hu se no kwa na egbo adwuma. Aye hu se me dem aye adwuma there be. Ya wo ye na akoso ye. Se wo adwuma mu ana wo su adwuma na wo ye bibi na wo madam embo wabaso. Eno nkyere se ohun ye. Eno nkyere se na wo ye na nya ne hwe. Obi wo hono ma odi na ni hwe ade. Enti we de koso na koso. Yele hu na ye ne awo ye no. E ma wa be mumbu. Man twen abaso body ansa na. Wo be yele hu aya ade awo ye no. Keep doing what you're doing. Obe so di bi kan graph kakra kan ho. Man twen abaso body e. Me see ye. Ebia wo office bi. Wo ye adwuma. O boss mbo wa baso da. O boss kan sa wa ya de. Me show. Eno nkyere se o boss no hu ni awo ye. Wo hu pa. To koswa na ye ne awo ye. Na mpo se o boss mpo enhu ya. Oni pa foforo bi ehu. Obi ehu. You see ade ba ko aya manage hu ne se. Wo office ade awo ye no obi anhwe wo. Ana office ade awo ye no obi ani ndi akire. But there is always a one person. I would tell baby a wo hwe. Recommendation bi ba within ye bebo. And you'll be very surprised. Say, it is sad, dear me, na obi a monitor me. Me patrolman can say, obi more basso. Oh, yeah, taxi driver. Oh, can say, cow na more basso say, I quite the washame can in the pan. I dear say on one and didn't see a coye. I dear way on one and pay be no the asher home. See me. Man cannot cow and in cancer. Yeah. Now, unim. Akuma pabia cow and when your mouth. Ebi ordinary na ehwe o waye kom obi se kom na maye ebi ana waye din na ohwe o before you realize no na okawo na aya de bi a wankasa obadwen wa wonte ase oho no ma hu se nya wo ye nyina over the years mani aso na mani so age na akama koma se menye we ma o enjiman twense ya mo wabaso ebi mu so hwehwani mu hwehwani na aka won ene ma menye na obi ehu se me nkwa na me se ba ne sa ja wo no mo amunya ya mbo na baso ayembo ye be bonso so ani abo but me chose se wo yo obi a wo twense mbo abaso amesero jai na ye ni awo ye na mo abe mumbu enka se ye mbo ma baso nti ma abe mebu there be keep doing. So never stop doing your best just because someone doesn't give you credit. This is our daily dose of motivations this morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Now fix man capsules. Yeah. Fixman capsules has been scientifically tested and ensured the meals benefit through regular use of male general well-being. And it is recommended for general male vitality. You know, the underlying word here is Bemabia. For sure, trips and Yabema so na Yabema. But you're only 18 years old, Yabema. Okoyaka to 7 now, Koyo home, Masema. The Aqualaba, Coco, the dear. Network the umpan. At upon and he says, the Bunya, the Coco, the networking. He was out upon him, and Mammy and son. What top pumpers are, and that for it's a Mr. Nabema Biana Yabema, Unya 18 years, a man, Quebema. At the panel, the Obebu mouth fans. Yeah, I would go on who belongs it. The boys was best of what you are. Miss Rob, it's in the Bema, I would say, Miss Amre, would you want this or your Bema, I would draw a fixed man capsules. Baby, no, Nabo Bobby, you see Mama Mangina, now for waiting my boy, Juma, my watch it. What's my drown as watch it, and I'm out fans. What's ye? Our friends, so you'll fix our Bella ointment. Known for skin rashes, heat rashes, foot rot, Nantema Pro, we'll do a fix Arabella ointment. You will fix fix Mala mixture. Fix Mala mixture so for headache, fever, cold, dizziness, general body pains, and our friends will treat malaria come upon. And see what's in the ground who's ampa, the din in the one I'm saying. Fix Mala mixture. Fix Mala mixture. Mount Shankabi available in all pharmacies and chemical shops. And as a herbal shop, Nina Obenya Biatho, Oko Kanshia, a Kens Walk Herba, Angel Herba, Nana Boachi Herba, and a Kudibia Enterprise, a Shama for called Wisdom Herba, and a Kaswa for called Tribe of Judah. For bulk purchase, not just a Oko Fix Herba for Tnabia or Venta Catamanso in Crane. WhatsApp Yana Freyan was 0205 0208-444442, 0208-444442, and 0302-902-071, 0302-902-071. Now name pay the food in come off, but Tony Dosopo. Everybody, so Timiak say immune boost and also. Ever do some more video anymore. Now my immune system then young one there. Not just say a immune booster papa. I was so sure good in Pedro anymore. And on the bay I can say immune boosters so baby na those one. I pay the four can't say me saying crema those one. And in you Bakatali papa. I don't know, say kind of Bakatari, you say kind of back, but then that may come Bakatari, we say kind of Bakari, Bakatari, Batakari, Bakatari, na Batakari. What's the difference, woman? I say, Bata, and a Baka. Yeah, Bakatari. If I try a smoke, yeah, cover of you and go any man is that. It's your number one immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against and correct the hormones of disease and the malfunctions that affect the body. Mr. In boost, herbal mixture, police in your drill. Mr. About some cabin idea, Robo, and I'll for boost the immune system on the idea. No, it's made now, so you're getting to be away. The two are said the amount, or drugstore pharmacy beer, or Benjabiatho, or person in the phone to Dean Como 0246 208 496 0540710113. Now in Petty Food in Como ODI Electronics. ODI Electronics. Yes, yes, some poets here. Maybe I told you number way. Now for agencies here. The open TV, fridge, deep freezer, gas cooker, washing machines and electrical gadgets now coming in Michelle and home appliances in this one. Now our friend 0550-900-600 0550-900-600 and that's Abraham Kaya FM here. Pen for Hana Mobile so ODI Electronics product in Ibiato. na ma me fa nko boakwa e wo dan bungalow boakwa e ba clinic wasa osa and I will treat osa typhoid fever, malaria, diabetes, stroke, hypertension, sexual weakness, infertility, skin rashes. When you know you're getting out the babu a car, or babu, I would two as ye, or boaqua. That's just it. Or Jenny, you know a bow. Now, if you won't fire, dear, no sound 22 and a monk, Koyana Montani and Juicy Kakas here. When you have to buy and change Kaka Crabby, me and my drew. Now that can't yard and a 2 as here. Because Yankas are ye drew, I swear, ye drew. Boakwa you mixture. Yeah, Boakwa tea mixture. Miss Penelba thing, Nina, yeah. It's a Brachemo down Bangalore and Hojo Junction, and Jabwa team for you. Hona Bejiwa Yarisa. Friend Penny forward 0240 226924 and 0248 503 189 for further enquiries or for further details. Now we'll try out to manage. Let's see your tons, I say. Boys, will say, yeah. Boy, they also a task, I say. About your number, I'll be friend 0553 044 069. Your tons, I say, hashtag where you land there. A few way, I don't know you will say, boy, be a task, I say. 1,000, I say, I will feel for you with the free bus anyway. Now, I will form with me. My patron said, Oban, will you SHS? Oban, the kind of trouble was in the pen. Nanso anko ye sabe seni anka wo pese kono anko ye sa ama wo ne obani mi nyina e ba na sanso no wa chon of the ka tra still nine fa wa tra fa na me wo good news bi the mouth ye ne pa na me ni boy bi a wa chon of the ka tra sa ama wa ye kimpanifo o ma chini di na egu omudiri omonim se bi ye bi a akwa ne be sa atro every year be a quite now Wayna will be recommended fast track remedial school at the Ma Branty. Me patroti any year fast track remedial school. Omani National Senior High School at Cambo. It kind of short I the great nationals. Oma Cambo fast track remedial school at Chimodan Chroma. Now Wayna will be recommended school at the Ma Branty. And a quatron of their Canibio remedial. And a one-time pa, and a 8 AZ. Unya back watch run of deck now 5 years. One-time pa call fast track. Not just a dim pa. And one in the bushia. I quananya school. Now wait on the following year. Why I can fat nasi I can. Sa quite dim body dim back. Unya back on the amba. And now I can force sending the email. Boss who a few a year whom are the Indian secrets. And also Yami Bejama Kappa. Mo person dey be feeling am betro fast track adaroma menya 88 and then me wo University of Education me wo university am na mo ka say e bu sia isa utia be samre na say o pese wo so nya 88 so wa bre ne wa remedials ne ade wa bre tro fast track remedial classes wa Chimodan Chroma me pa cho say we business student, general art, visual art, home economics, agriculture science student, general science yes bra na be register. Now for young found for intensive classes move. Not to me try what's the bio and I say remedials no. Not sure now one time partial. I one touch. Now when you're 8 age now kwanisa. Make sure you watch more than your classes no. Our range experimental school honoma. Or by ya more than stop over. Obe who see your tent no is your your tent gets your pa. I mount here watch more than stop over. Your forms and so there. Ebuso and Sotokra, Nipana to Ebuso Anasa. Let's round mention Chawanasi, Kohosisi and Akopeke forms. Now for your register, your sounds your pre SHS class HS livers. And the class na here 3 p.m. Monday to Fridays. And to Trumike, Nabra, Chamodan stop over. Ube was a fast track media school 20 no. ACO, friend 24 was 0244 293 636 0244 293 636. Now name for the phone didn't come on. Great Nationals fast track remedial school ya kan ye ho abom ya masuku nkwala nyina ni age na motimi atro wasiri biom na motwa akọ school na dia so bodua ba fie 93.3 FM your friend Kobena Costi Abrantepa the perfect gentleman. Right, so stick and stay, go nowhere. Mami try me home, bra. Me call back. Hey, banjo. Hey, banjo. How about this here?
Hey, banjo. Why go?
Massa, St. Andrews asembubu wayek machine biomo. Afie we die eye buta
7 A's 6 A's and 5 A's no abruso
enti say wo beto forms e wo St. Andrews SHS the results ni bi na hwansa
afie we ye the 999 candidates and a quatrain emu 997 and a qualify ye ko university.
Wow, we die e buru adwen ene ntiase so
eno ntise wako school bi akọ felipoto
e mane hawo kra
for any tremu St. Andrews SHS. Say St. Andrews ebi akwenya ama omo kwa form 3.
Enti ma wonye ha na be fa forms na tre wasi May June exams ni bi afia ebe.
Enti masa akwenya we mpa ho fisa me hu yanka na aka echi.
Enti fresisi a na je SHS 3 admission forms
0244 696911 and 0207 891004. St. Andrews SHS.
We are always
in the league.
Mido, asa na de fia ehwampa o.
Ha, eye ban 20 na ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supra na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. Ene wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nanse nkwada nyoma eni ate se wan. Eye parazo no na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro. Na ade ba de na ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila wohu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Binding snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa wohoro won se uhu ana ai enu anso na me de wohoro nchase mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse akira mansan fa no mo wo
ban wo nioma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo panido so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudin ni body sign
JA Binding and Co Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
Salute. Hey. When we send your police in your draw, imbusaba mesa amama huaden.
Refuse to grow. Enya ho offense wa beka ho.
Ahwade immune system o Nyankopon. E de wura ni peduade mu sem moye ho ban no. Enna sa wonom imbusaba mesa e peja immune system na bribia. Ya yare antimiu. Sese de amanfo dodo no a na di imbusaba mesa do ne ho adanse ese. Enyarewa horo anipa enyina etimi ba ne so. Ene nyarewa kese nkaya wuti ni din ene ho ka. Na oyemu ahyew nyina no. Ebo ye ho ban efiri ho. Enna wo mpo a omu wa nyarewa ne dada. Na omu nom doctor enuro no. Enom imbusaba mesa no a emo mu ahoden pintin. Ya wo mu ntimpo se yare ese omu ho. Imbusaba mesa ewo kanshi ene o man mu babia ye ton enuro. Etufo mfre 0246 208496. Imbusaba mesa. Police ni no edro no. Enkratwe FDA asayase.
Bring it on. Oh yes,
Wey ye ni gisem edema de hye no ma omo akyem odan ne mpatamu. Titiri wonoma epe akonya akọ senior high school. No makotwe wase sɔre no atwa ne yemu. Esan se National Senior High School e wasantemantemu aye sanemra ne se Great National abepiemu ewo wodan ne mpatamu a eye ni gisem son kokra. Courses na wo ye ni bi eye business, general arts, visual art, home economics, general science, general agriculture, general business certificate of examination, remedial classes in so what the touch what the amount great national and fast track remedial akaboma was what the classes by so at the amount range experimental JHS and no achimoda nkwantenum ECG office and then actually one of my classes no echa se we are no means 3 p.m. 52 ada ekopim efia de bia enunti wasi 2022 no ko na ko register great national opesa fire forms ni bia for ni chire mu achimoda stop over fast track for 110 ne one ma from penny for 0244 92 36 36 tieni biem 0244 92 36 36 for great national was say your 8 A's dream is done deal. I am standing tall, bring it on.
Awofo me wo good news be at the mamo. So when him say enkane no na say wo ba ko private nursing school a wo yam hyehyw say ebia na wonya adwuma anye Ghana ban adarumenti sade no atwem eno nti say opese wo ba be dachi nurse ni kese pandia ene me kanfo be mass college at the amount esuku fees at the form boko eye courses be to say BSc nursing, diploma in registered midwifery, diploma in registered general nursing, diploma in medical laboratory technology, certificate in family healthcare, near a chat worker, a yes certificate in professional IT, bra, na yencho computer software and hardware, and a afe camera installation, admission, ewo homa woma, wonya 6 passes, ewo wasi in Soshemu, be mass college wo affordable and moderate hostel, ema woma wo free a tree eba, ewo spacious lecture halls, and a library. Na wonim, student biya wo ho kwan se woji loan, metre student trust loan, with Ghana card, enti umpewe na upede. Be mass college wo aguna swed near Ben Swedro School of Business. For more enquiries, contact our email on info@bimascollegegh.com or visit our website www.bimascollegegh.com. Over to me, Freyen, it was 0551 528 154 0546 264 129 and now 0332 095 776. Bimas College, Yateti Adachi and Nurse for Papa.
Bafana kama sama mami, bafana di masama mami, bafana tuminyarewa, na wa mama wedi yeso train, usisi ya uya, bafana eba mischa, monoria, sasa brenda maya ume, bafana eba mischa, handi basi, sufolish munamure, abibi duro mujata, bafana eba kapso, unum kapsos na unum mischa. Open for an enum, wouldn't feed me no die, and what you be at me no. Now, Ubenya Bafan Mr. and the capsules or my baby a tonu pabia. Those upon Fred Bafan so I can send what 0553511501 or 0208233058. Bafan, Ujidia Jonkwan.
Anobites ye drobi ana misisi pa ya me yaye enso me no anobites no aboa me
adono manumbi na me to ase ntini mu na na etwetwe me pa na mu hwehwe me se de nyame adom nyina ejan
madrono aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom 1 bottle si say me ne yire da be 30 minutes nti madrono de eye pa san fabra mo
me din de ya mensa e to anobites e kono me ne kaso so aboa me pa na misisi na ye me ya na beto no mo ye enu ame no mo ye e ko bibia akọ kama de say me tin bo adwuma ye
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yire ehia mu a sisi a na me ho asani me e ma me tumrika kɔtɔ bi menom yɛ no yare no akɔ
asa no bi tɛ no de de fa a sɛ nsisi yɛ ne ya to yɛ nso menom yɛ ne nyina akɔ me ka tere wo bi o no ma no bi tɛ sɛ ne ya de papa ebe boa na ma ne yare bi e wo ya
ano heba bitters na ano heba capsules enura yu koto bi ato ni mienu ebom ubanya bi ato e wo atemoda ha ochini ba drugstore na Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato no bitters ano bitters
Ghana Kuafue, Adama West Africa, Emma Adwuma, Adama West Africa, a agrochemical company, what Israel. Now, what Nasia human who say, a Kuafue Tom Nebia, and Fuet me Jim Funina at the bosso, Nitiru any Esre, say Esre Naju Fua Bossodia, and an American for Agile at the amount. Would you know maybe to say, Enkruma, tomatoes, Nyadua, watermelon, Meko, Ayoyo, Anafe, Abroba, Abra, Esre Nefi for Fra Ebano, if you Agile, no first spray, Esre Swanson, wait to a quack and as the waiting Puerino. Now the Agile, a spray, Esre Ninaso, Shannon, Mema Esreni nyibebre ansana de agile akwaku spray so de hia sa obehwe 10 tomatoes enketo ano no ahye ba akopɛ de agu kafukafu afidie yi mu na do ensuo 15 liters afra wo de spray pɛ wawie wadwuma sa wo de agile spray wafu ase a ɛma enhyerɛne a wo no ban na agu no entingu ɛno akyi no akuafo ɔmo nso dua bibi te sɛ beans enkateɛ ana fe so ya beans no ɔmo nso hwehwɛ verzil ekumfue na se prɛkopɛ edi free sa no bɛyɛ ase de sɛ wo yɛ nie unya hu sɛ emfue na hyase ɛ ba pɛ hwehwɛ verzil na first spray na sa wo de spray so pɛ ubetu emfue na se nyinaa wotɔ verzil a betimi de spray wafu na se empre nwotwe eno kure ya nso spray 1.5 acres eya no afa 30 mils ana se obesusu atra ye dididie no miensa na wodi nso 15 liters afra benya bia to ewo agrochemical shop bia eben wo Ghana fa na nyina ana se wo befre 0544325030 ana 0270575030 Adama West Africa Ghana kuafo ye jimudi.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Frescalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Now my life, me no want far, fi no fall. Me no want da, fi no that. Just I want live with me life higher heights. Fight with me family and pay my price. In my life, me no want far, fi no fall. Da, fi no da. Just I want live with me life higher heights. Fight for me family and pay my price. Somebody have to run, go and tell poverty. Say him have to go, me just I want me privacy. Him stay too long in my life. Him have to go, come me want see the daylight. Me never want those or anything at this time. And I saw me want go. See me reach me prime time a long time. When me know what's a man a big star. Poverty you can't stop me from my shine. In my life, me no want far, fi no fall. Me no want da, fi no that. Just I want live with me life higher heights. Fight for me family and pay my price. In my life, me no want far, fi no far. Da, fi no da. Just I want live with me life higher heights. Fight for me family and pay my price. Ya know I no joke, say me wild like a lightning thunder around ya. Cause inna the street man a fighter, stronger, more than a lion a tiger. Hot brave, cut down the faker asunder. Tongue inna the street when them see me them a wonder. Jump off the wall of poverty and a conquer. We no know no border, we no surrender. We no afraid that no boy will look like ninja. I read always, small we no laugh to no poverty race. Family a wait to me while me no play. Looking like me a so for the money back. As soon as see me so me can't lose a fight I feel. Sunshine too long so we pray for the rain. Family a wait to me while me no play. Fight for me family and pay my price. In my life, me no want far fi no fall. Me no want da fi no dal. Just I want live with me life higher heights. Fight for me family and pay my price. In my life, me no want far fi no fall.
So below juice mixed with a little ginger. Oh girl, I wanna be with you, but you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you. I got the reason why I can't let go. Girl, you never know, so you can't gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, so you can't gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, so you can't gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, so you can't gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Man, join your chin now, okay, don't talk. Come in like a thief in the night, long jaw. But you know, say, all of my niggas, them ball. Nothing you go ever need at all. I join your chin now, okay, don't know. Taking it a break, at me, I know the rush. Baby, if you want me, catch a rebel, my miss with me. Yeah, follow. If be you, I go follow. And I hope you know, say you be Dodo. You dey like Dodo, Bucci, you follow. If be you, I go follow. And I hope you know, say you be Dodo. You dey like Dodo, Bucci. Oh, girl, I wanna be with you. But you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you. I got the reason why I can't let go. Girl, you never know, say you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, say you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, say you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love.
Nothing else. You're more than diamonds and pearls. So now you there for my hand. Yeah. Baby, many girls them come. I may tell them in a one none. Cause now you there for my hand. Yeah. And now you there for mine. Yeah. My girl ain't no be lie. Yeah. And girl I no go shy. Yeah, I wanna make you my wife. Whoa, yeah. Lie. Now you there for mine, baby, no be lie. Now you there for mine, every day and night. Now you there for mine, every second of my time, girl, you always on my mind. Now you there for mine, baby, no be lie. Now you there for mine, every day and night. Now you there for mine, every second of my time, girl, you always on my mind. Girl, your body a corner. It be you, I go follow. China no ne bluff, oh no, baby. Chemo style back on, no. Baby, wine and boogie for me. Wine and go down for me. Everybody knows, baby, if you mean to want you, baby, yeah. How we make a sing for you, baby. Who you are, the Ahenkan, man, me ne what to me, yeah, mo. Make a sing, baby, yeah. Me to want you, baby, cry. Ahenkan, me ne want to me a more day. Lie. Now you there for mine, baby, no be lie. Now you there for mine, every day and night. Now you there for mine, every second of my time, girl, you always on my mind. Now you there for mine, baby, no be lie. Now you there for mine, every day and night. Now you there for mine, every second of my time, girl, you always on my mind.
Me can know a brand new empty, yeah. So many them dark on me, but I'm don't blame. Hey, man, I know the cafe, man, I come out. Oh, hey, Alice in Alana Mula, Genunia, woman, stronger again.
Lie.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I gotta show you love, nothing else. You're more than diamonds and pearls. So now you
hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabna Question.
Many girls them come. I may tell them in a one none. Cause now you there for mine. Yeah. And now you there for mine. Yeah. My girl ain't no be lie. Yeah. And girl I no go shy. Yeah. I wanna make you my wife. Whoa, yeah. Lie. Now you there for mine, baby, no be lie. Now you there for mine, every day and night. Now you there for mine, every second of my time, girl, you always on my mind. Now you there for mine, baby, no be lie. Now you there for mine, every day and night. Now you there for mine, every second of my time, girl, you always on my mind. Girl, your body a corner. It be you, I go follow. China no ne bluff, oh no, baby. Chemo style back on, no. Baby, wine and boogie for me. Wine and go down for me. Everybody knows, baby, if you mean to want you, baby, yeah. How we make a sing for you, baby. Who you are, the Ahenkan, man, me ne what to me, yeah, mo. Make a sing, baby, yeah. Me to want you, baby, cry. Who you are, the Ahenkan, man, me ne what to me, yeah, mo. Lie. Now you there for mine, baby, no be lie. Now you there for mine, every day and night. Now you there for mine, every second of my time, girl, you always on my mind. Now you there for mine, baby. baby, no be lie. Now you there for my hand. Every day and night, now you there for my hand. Every second of my time, girl, you always on my mind. Making a home, I pray. So Babylon, me not ready. When I man stepping at the street every day, it's a blessing. Everybody see. Enough chat, never I go do it. So me pray to the Most High, cause him have to do it. Cause you know what I me never seek idol. Never in my life. Well, get how you would better read your Bible and burn dirty bad mind. You know man are free. Everybody see. Give thanks to the Almighty. Enough of them are these, but we act like we not see. Every day me a pray. Every day me a pray. Every day me a hope and pray. Every day me a pray. So Babylon me no afraid. Every day
don't come in there. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? Don't come in there. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? You only know my name, you don't know my story. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. Ask me also for the paper, and I put life first and I ask God for favor. Wishing good for me neighbor. Already I did that figure and put it in. Nowhere to find them. Only a few was kind and
right, so 22 after 11 is still 93.3 FM. Adwuma live on the radio. Stoneboy
with me from the beginning.
Oh, what a shame.
Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? Don't come in there. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning. Oh, what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? You only know my name, you don't know my story. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. Me don't know what they want me.
Let me find Jack and say and come on me bell nothing.
Just like a cat.
Rama.
Me now start pray to the
Amophobia. What title back home?
Just keep going higher.
Amophobia dream you over there.
Them know my name.
Drive me drum on.
Got your own to me.
Me bell nothing. Hello, very good morning. What to say? Bobo Shanti, right? Right. When you not pay me church, you'll be
why do you want me?
Teacher the Rama.
Don't come.
Rama me chaba me drop. Because I'm a fangas. Problem for what?
Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? You only know my name.
You don't know my story. Oh no, no, no.
Oh no, 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 no. I don't owe you nothing. Just keep pushing my thing. You don't owe
Nanama Foswa says greetings, Kosti. I miss you. Please extend my greetings to your DJ.
Just keep pushing my thing. You don't owe me nothing.
And it's the Stoneboy Vim for you right here. 93.3 FM. Beam, 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 beam to the whole worldwide.
You keep you. None of them are fake it. Tough time come, them no sticking with you. Don't come in there. If you not hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? Don't come in there.
Eunice, good morning.
From the beginning,
Eunice says she's very angry with me because
why do you want me?
She's the only person that calls me Cosmos.
You only know my name.
It is one that still the grass should know say the message is from her. She's very annoyed with me. Wow.
Ask me also for the paper, and I put life first and I ask God for favor. Wishing good for my neighbor. Already I did that figure help with the labor. Nowhere to find them. Only a few was kind and like a diamond from the doors, I knew my star will shine.
Don't come in there.
Don't come in there. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? Don't come in there. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame.
Right, so on this Stoneboy note, let me say a very big shout out to Joyce if you are beam.
My story, oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no, no.
Joyce if you are beam. And also big shout out to the Beam Nation worldwide.
Me now start pray to the Messiah. The devil is a liar. I just keep going higher. See them know my name, them no know my story. Got your own to me, it no matter. Yeah. Don't come in name. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a
Eba try enwanye no eba so. Enwanye no. Nyakopon ya Adwuma second edition. And I can the second badge. Eba so on our 5th March. No pa no nsia de kopem area 1 p.m. See the audio in can be no me da be a twebo no. Eba say be eba try pick forms one can from 50 cool cities. 50 cool Ghana cities. And I'll bet my friend 0244878763. Number back one, my dark crown, your name, I met him above of head 0244878763. This time, one paper, my montro, my bon 0244878763. I just said, I appropriate this. Unique Diploma College. We offer 6 months to 1 year UK professional diploma equivalent to HND. And also, you have 50% scholarship for 50 students. By picking forms before 28 February. Offer no still na day. That was so. Offer diploma in accounting and finance, diploma in human resource management, diploma in marketing and advertising, diploma in customer service, diploma in project management, and offers diploma in business management and administration. I wanna kiss, I wanna touch. It's HND just 6 months before diploma certificate. Offers who we are unique. Over to me again, university admission at level 200 or 300, and a national service is assured after completion. Certificate, recognized in the whole world. Regular event and also weekend classes with hostel facilities. They bought that for you. Watch some of them coming away. The sound so register one person with remedial classes in the BM. I'll see we shall meet you in SHS3 and offer you 1 year intensive classes to write both the WASI and remedial in the following courses: general art, business, visual arts, home economics, agric, and general science. It's a general man 05407793363 05407793363. Right, so music from Dark Vibes. The 23 or 24-year-old boy. I am a cousin, young Kodan. I'm a Grammy movie. Dark Vibes upon I would dream in our way in the great crowd is in the credit sex. Councilor Kwaba.
Yeah, Kwabna.
And that music Dark Vibes is over 24 hours. What? Now Dark Vibes, me Grammy was.
And I'm to phone is a one year yes more. The football. We are singing age on.
Not only grey hair no cry. Was saying on me how it Dark Vibes man. I did call you this old 24 well,
we are singing age. Yeah, we are football age.
And the Senna so near dinner and it's a family don't make us almost 17. Yeah, and they cried the other 22. Akwaba.
Yeah, Kwabna.
You have a go there.
I'm out of
the last year, 2020. No, almost a mistake and complaining to Jow.
Oh,
but
I'm to
enjoy. And that's who we are.
Yes,
everything common. And I'm your neighbor share a choir, ever fast so. Now, I don't know, say bet me jai and I bet me see no choir and I bet me prevent, I bet me so know there. How to stop being jealous in a relationship. Obi Bisam say, hey, come na na idea. Yeah, be deng jai. I mean, jealousy there. I mean, it's part of relationship. I'm missing him. But you see, I don't know, say your ways be a team yes, they are counselor and they're the best person. Obi team in every na. Until what by the floor is yours.
Okay. Come that's it. Say nyame adom na another Thursday too and say you know you can't say Dan Kenya me, you know this is not a time for you to blame God, but a time for you to say rather me that was yes. Corona, before I start my submission, you know my main chair Adofoi number 1 first lady, my partner main chair ayo woman so if you apel so drew now we start being the chief or mascot, yeah, na a TF18 no I think SME chair na good. Come yeah, before I start my submission, you know, I don't know, say be a menyan correct there. Say what kind of good book I Bible ne say, and I said Exodus 34:14, one of them. And then Yankopon compare who to or having an issue of jealousy. Say I am a jealous God. I just want to paraphrase. Me person me code deep. I just want to paraphrase. Say I am a jealous God. na kwabna ka say obi e jealous a kwabna ni twi na e dade
enra me shada busa na me say na me busa tinra me busa
okay
o say obi o twi nkum
good who say if enkofo bebrete a they will assume say ahoya and I say nibre no jealousy enye sade no nti who ka says yankopon liking who to say me a jealous god na enchese yankopon ani ebrade ana yankopon dabi onya hoya ade yankopon peka sense otwe nkum yes which means one senka under normal circumstance say we jealous and I otwe nkum enka ye pa kwabna dentias kwabna obi twe nkum a you should be very grateful yes so be a jealous about you when no you limit ye in a relationship we don't want to go we don't want to extend your common to any other thing the other one no bad say obi jealous about you so only obi adwuma no jealous about you and no dey bad it is enye kra enye because the being jealous of somebody no e just nipa ne wade bia unni bi intino eno na ya meka ekowie se ni bre you are angered ebufu to me be show mu yes but enne no ye nka ehwa asem ne ye hwe in a relationship say ye wa wade ma ne ye wo empenatwem say if somebody is jealous so twinu nkum wo ho a eye pa kwabna so wono yerete twinu hu nkum so woni wukum te twinu hu nkum yes it helps eboa etiefo otiemi am say woni ne wo ho a twinu hu nkum why because you have focused your mind o de wadwen unim de wakoma bibia adi ade kronechi into the moment obehu say bibi eya bawura mu no na what start a feel bad about it kwabna bacho watemase o de wadwen unim de wakoma wa hoodin ni na adi ade kronechi into the moment bibi be ya na dwen say e bawura mu no na what start I worried no what start disturbed it as sen American Israel for Yankopon domo pa or so aware it the moment Israel for be o madwen say or move free or no Yankopon chen akoso abosom foforo then God becomes worried Yankopon I worried it sen America say kwabna the America say wo twi nkum ni ye no enu God was always providing for the Israelites no ya de bia say Israel for na ni beji Israel for ni free na chi it is one say the America say ye no it a say oh ye bibia you are staying focused just say person mo na kra be pembo and nipa na on net no person obe free lane it when you are jealous it brings a lot of good things but kwabna wan hwe ni year no am manage ni year and no at the end of the day e ba ko wie say no we jealous no ya develop it into something and na ebia kwabna say na wo ye jealous no the person that you're jealous about no even doesn't know. That is the problem. Why? Because you haven't communicated to him. Ebi ana first no ye worry for na ye twempena no na send na opon a obefie no na dida na kwem send na ye din komo na dida na kwem the way na esere na dida na kwem we used to go out that all those things were there. Now ever since I got married to you and I for some time now ye wo mpena twem no all these things have ceased. It is a metwa me de madwene makoma na ma mekui me de meyere madwene makoma na ma meyere but of late ka mekwa aba no na nka de we obed dress eye se aduan se na obesiesie me table so am medidi se mentade se nko besi no se na ye nwoma efiade ye bia na se the we are na contribution towards your relationship in etie no of late ente se biu enko se biu why now be man what start ana obi man attention no ba no so start and now she say is my husband or my boyfriend seeing another person. This is it. These are some of the things if you don't take care unse nini pano one or two no or he's been troubled or she's been troubled say no sanyoma we na cause but they say of late baby you and I'm being jealous and what is the problem? What is causing all these things? These are some of the one we are now developing into something else. Into kwabna say now can say if you who sad way to me identify some of these things what are some of the things that massa anyoma we ni na eba kwabna so one of the most adeba we develop and ma jealousy and na say bad relationship mo when ubu ho abomfia. This is a practical something. I don't want to listen to any book. Yes, kwabna say oni oba ana ne bema eti relationship mu. Na ubu ho abomfia. You see yourself on value. Yes. Eti the moment kwabna be check 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, kwabna ba 7 to 8. That kwabna be extending the time from 8 to 9. Then what dream? Yes.
And
you haven't placed
it.
Yes. Kwabna so obu ho abomfia. Meanwhile, ebi kura na sada no kura no person surprise o. He decided to go buy something for you, and I am time no I extended. Ebi na person atade be chew. Enu ntina 8 no, 1 to be drew 8 no be drew 9. It will be drew no the side chronoman wa. How would you feel? It you assume say nipa na wehia no ana say kwabna you say I'm not better off of this person and no it is because of how you have placed the value one kasa the way our crown the way on kasa ye mu no nyoma ni na you very low like obu wa bonfia dodo and when you place such low esteem on yourself kwabna there be a jealousy because the say bia bema oire kwabna yesterday in Accra somebody I was me taught there. And the person came like or taught the same thing. Akomaniku. Yes. Say oba no atama na say bia when you su. At the end of the day, ono who say a show bia na say a bo bin sa na say or shampa wana na ye ne fe. And unti no yes no, I also do same for my husband for him to also look good. This person I'm talking about is a married person. Do you hear me? At the end of the day, otoba no one share. Now, onye who say oni obi ogina ho in that, I mean, who atmosphere, nipa na dressy, good looking good, then those memories start coming up because one you couldn't place value on yourself in terms of that is the same way. So yes, sir, then you decide to, I mean, you decide to dress anyhow, do anything anyhow. You piss him off. And at the end of the day, he will be attracted to other people. And no to why no one started catch on say I am being jealous about this. Ka we jealous? Yes, ka we expect say ka be man ma that attention. But esan sa de nan ka say tu mu say ubu ho abonfie ntino. Kwabra ma what ma say. Yes. And e bi won so yes, environment ni ni free buy no.
Obi ho no ma opese ni lady here silly kakra, funny kakra, asole kakra ba wo de full time gospel yes
no credit about copy and I make us we any book in church na these are practical things I need nkofo ete e we busuam ni fiem and I mean all the environment near find yourself it is some of these things no e basa we learn a lot from it and mabebre are suffering from jealousy
right
yes and mabebre are suffering from jealousy it is a call now more 8 o'clock no one free
all right now you say CCR now you who enyoma edi we nyina aba no now me so bia I'm in a relationship and I want to stop being jealous of enyoma kitingiti bia
okay
how do I go about it
Kwabna good if you want to stop this jealousy issue Kwabna ni one I want to feel jealous about ayo abrante no aya baba one now sit him down the first and the foremost sit the person down. Now, they can't boss our word no. Kwabna can't say na and found kon wine and now who saw necessary course gina ha and now who saw ne bra kwabna gina ha and you are all say case no you are all western case no. Please tell him catch and say abrante me twi nunkum won ho. Yes, you are making your intentions clear. It opens up for no so say then se wo se wo twi nunkum mo a adenti na wo twi nunkum mo me hu so oni ababa we di nkomo me hu so oni we di nkomo me hu so oni we sere me hu so time ni nyoma bebre bi say nyoma bi wo ha yes enti I am feeling jealous about you I am me say obi be jiwa free me nsem that is a problem me tewa me hu ni say obi be jiw free me nsem me hu say wo mo obi attention enti me tewa my dream enye set I am unstable I am going to it and may fast stressing. Then say be man ye nyansafo obetie wunti no. Okay, then if this is the case, say how do we go about it? Kwabna send a bema ni nyansafo nti. How do we go about it? E kwan be na yemfa so say yebesi ano kwan. Adenti na osisei now bema na okay na men so misusu say wo ye ni say a you get my attention. Kwabna won say na solve problem. Ono de aba. Or the problem we see I cause specific me twinunkum won. I am jealous about you because I fear somebody will take you away from me. Especially Kwabadi, here is the case. A member is spending on ma ho a. Ade ba ko e hye member be bre trim. Say we are maybe boani. Wo be boana wie na onya babisia.
Oja we si baby.
Yes. Onya babisia.
Maybe boani.
Good.
Me ko sun adwuma.
What I say? Until the person feels very insecure. And I say, yes, at the end of the day, this is how the person feels. It is a utmima problem no eko nipananim. Then the person respond and I say utieu no busa no say, then how can we? I believe say, okay, sweetheart, say na wo can they are. Any mean so mesusu say and yen fa kwan we so and yen say like you are going with a problem problem nima, you also have to go with your solutions because at the end of the day can the we are ebia na nyani na no kan but at the end of the day also was specific ade bia per se oye but kwabia won say in two ways. The fact that who feel jealous no wo dey problems e call ye no what to me no adin komo awie say ni na kwabna we are and Solen kase me dase what here me dey fine. Kwabna what I want you to also do ni say okay what do you also kwabna awade ne mpratwe e pese ekwachi ne e ka ho asem yi o the mature minds if you want to take your relationship far yenya agro bi na yedi we want to ye pese mpratwe ne wi awade em ye pese awade no so ye pese ehu the 30th anniversary ye pese ehu the 40th anniversary e wa awade ni enti if you want all these things enkojina won huja wonsa and when you are messy up things you are not ready 30-40 years anniversary now you are not ready some mpratwe ne wi awade mu no onye ready se wo kona come sem we tra na we na go afterwards we are busa ono so was that ayini bia jealous. How do we go about it? Also then also a man is feel jealous.
Right. Mama come say you we say wow. I love this topic. As an if when you any back as any other day street. This one says if I should tell him I'm jealous about him, he will feel proud and be messing around.
Good.
Portia. Right. Right. So this one says stopping jealousy. Breakup is the best option. I think it's an episode. Breakup is the best option. I remember this. Yeah, so right. So this one says, I've realized there are a million fish in the sea. Sure, they might be the best thing you ever had, but if you are so jealous that they will cheat on you, they can't be as awesome as you think. Decide for yourself if they are the type of person you that will hurt you by cheating. If you believe they are, then you need to move on. Stop being jealous. If they choose to hurt you, then they do you a favor. There are many people out there who never would. I don't understand. But caption now I've realized there are a million fish in the sea. That just says will be tete and so now how the uncle tete.
That is why I told you these are for mature minds. Yes, it is better you solve this one and solve it well rather than going to the next person. Jealousy issues even than this one. The same people yes, if we are unable to solve this one, you don't have to even enter or go venture into another one thing is a problem. When you go what they says to buy now also be feeling jealous. Yes.
Well, this one says when you feel jealous, stop thinking rationally and figure out if it is real or something you created in your head. If you needlessly fear, you will likely create a scenario in your head and that isn't real. So the best thing for you to do is just mind your own business. no beboa.
Come now, minding your own business, no fine. Next, I say, you know, tit for tattoo. Oh, that is minding. Obaka say minding me dem family home so much no mu din komo me. Em family home. But my test asem ni bia. It's better.
Board members no every man go from the board members.
Em family home.
Yes, is only obanya issue. Na say, otia oni mi no solve na otia ase. Na opie kwa bontimba. No, correct the same issue now. Also, we say the board members no. Amanti ase. It's the board members now ask ata issue no.
Yeah. Omeka bano me family hu no kan me we board members na say papers on mama na kan no. Oh dear. Honorable say yes.
Over to the also message of 0594 841044 and I'll be called Facebook and so Ahenkan 93.3 FM on Facebook. This one says, Koran, the topic is really interesting. I want you to ask counselor that can I leave my boyfriend if he's cheating? So
boyfriend is so yeah they will be cheat you. Boyfriend is so yeah they will be cheat. He's not yes.
Or shock how they are.
They are doing it.
If he said cheating, so I know this is please.
You also have the opportunity to leave him. So boyfriend they also will cheat there. Yeah, who quite so cheating.
Now also quite now
so quite so and one.
Right, me but also opesa one so friend now we start counselor question be 0554 820910 0554 820910 vows dey nkofa so ye hye ne ade a feel so cheating ko ade a no wako. Good morning, your friend say what can say friend.
Good morning, dancing me kasa furu madam.
Dance me pa chono PAT.
Kosti.
Yes boss.
Kasa cancel me ble wa ya dia pa. Utie. When obit and I say one kasa cost na wo choro kwa. O sa dia sum bu bia weni wo.
No cray.
But ya na sa de pia ya wo dia wo asum bu bia weni wo. O say obit ni saka hey chare enko e sa me pese.
No cray pa.
Say sa no asum bu. But say when you bad and I say be man ni oba ni be man. Na when angel so or kwan we jama no ko obi fa no fa obi ni din koma or so better to on kasa unzo ne man ma we mo shishe on be man ma we ni maka ni paru ndo no on so bo ya but ni pa no so bo dia wallahi joy bia enko yi bia no we be shi wa fa it's a cancel no an obusu ani sham bye
right bye down so yeah that's a pa but counselor and obusu to me ka say me anya say bia me jealous but me kasa bebre am kasa me nage
no kwabna ina me kan no you see after we release and I say one in a confrontation na we no yes you also build on your self confidence say self esteem now you are very low on your part no you say what you are working into you are building a self confidence and two and as a three kwabna relationship no how do you what are the direction he find our person relationship in the could do and I can was him say empenatwen e yawade empenatwen and I say awade no e 30-40 years anniversary de ni bi na wo pa na say 2 years anniversary ni bi fine say 6 months anniversary e be gu ye no so ye ho but say wo hu sade we ni na you see come na and that if you value ade na ekuta no obi enu a onsumbo mboma na like ontwe hu nunkum in the initial stage no so say because osumbo man intin e na otwe nunkum no enti wo ye no kan wasem kwabna emane hu say eye nagging enye nagging it because the person or person o ye onunkum adea and it helps say o ye onunkum adea bibia the channel of a yini na ye onunkum e boa mo because already no mo mienu ma identify be bia mo person relationship ni could do enti or start say or divert ya ebe ha relationship no ti oba kasa saa me pa cho ye be man tie no se be man so kasa saa oba tie no because mo mienu mu share no you were able to identify matumi a kire be bia mo pese mo de empratwe na ware ni kodu enti aden na afi ye kwa o pese o de o mane anase me ne o mienu ye kwa me so me pese me mane there be enti no boa
so we just watch it hello hello Uni me who message you had I Mr. was my member ding. Or the family personal WhatsApp for this one. I'm about to wait to my friend 0554820910. What's it called now? My woman is a jealous type. And it is very serious. I think she's overdoing the thing like Charlie. I hate this.
Kwabna, is it what Uncle Yamin in Shrano? Yamin Shan is the lady no it's send a year can was me. Brappen is a wood me. Go sit your wife down. Yes. The Obana pet which I say or any swadi be who be war. I just don't know how to put it, but the lady has a lot of vision for the man. It's not all yes so jealous. No. Please, attention all pay free wanting all yes how. You are diverted and your man, you are moving away from the goals of the relationship. Please give her the attention, speak to her. More fast and your money namra bonting. Then work towards it.
All right.
Yes. Anything I almost say when you be jinawa, then or per se. No. Why?
Yes. Hey. We the offer me my own Alright, hello.
Hello.
Sweetheart, good morning.
Morning.
Me pa cho jure de kakra na have a good conversation. You're frozen. William, twen ho free radio no ho na kasa de me pa cho pa. Right.
You're from Vincent.
You're frozen. Vincent. Where be ma? And I'm just so yes, dear. Was why I did now with you. My mean you. Meet you, Vincent. Hello. Oh, right. Maybe I also bet me for 0554820910. Vincent, I should be I just yes, dear. 0554820910. Bet me for Vodafone 0201944485. 0201944485. But Councillor, we been so say jealousy. Kum nipa intente pa.
How say kum nipa intente? It is because one I build this idea na I develop stress. Because the moment you go out, the person starts thinking about you. You are overthinking. So at the end of the day, you are now killing the person.
All right. Yeah, for us, what's friend? Yo, Kobe. I put to say. Right. Me you meet you.
I don't know.
Meet you.
Question to Councillor. My zero always is to be jealous of and to pan. There was young jealous is the way or initially no much jealous pan. By the way, you know. We create mistake for jealousy. Later on, when you papa enter every action. Initially, no one was over there. You are jealous of what the way. But as time goes on, no force is and jealousy. As our jealous of Bastella, when you're not to be oh, after all, the guy who got off a mountain. And I gave you the jealousy too much. Why can't I do it? But all the time, there's no jealousy. I don't know where the underground it's minimum dear. Fine. I'm going to come out in my area one day and they are the kind. But the 90 part jealousy, the bit me jealousy, I live with you now. I'm quite different. Okay. It's only the majority now. Maybe a Jan is over worry. Now more stable number. Simple.
All right, Kobe. The point, the points now. Make Kobe points.
I understand.
Yes, and men who be that Obi Wanoma or Shada Ama who say. I mean, she's very jealous, but.
Exactly.
Kobe points. Kobe points.
I share Juma. It's and I can.
From the message you are already on a comma, but in person make kind. Rejoice if you have been was it. It's your topic, man. Nana Mado man should come and see something. No.
I'm not over to us. One kind.
Oh, man kind.
It's come around Sunday. A buzz down to you now, or kind or kind. Yes. Nka awade na na mpena twen epesi ewure awade mu ne de ana nka ye odokan yo but enye obi na wokan kwa na obo ne ho ka na fe wo hu say no onu disappointed no onu abrantie bi ne te and I say on wa brante bi o hode da na brante na ntumi amoa no na wo waboa no na fe opese oye bibia na ojai ko ware abrante no e na okay obetumi afeki sa jealousy ade na opema me was so ohun kra da say opema the list next open way
no original so when last 2 weeks or something yeah me going for the year na make us back for Koftown can say me chemo say na that for pound on na mo Koftown na the bia o ya de ma girl no friend o wa hen fan obi o so wada o get me friend o wa hen o se mada yenye video call
okay
now our friend was say when you mada o say okay sa o say afedi didi ma afo hu say no girl is jealous too much not knowing say na girl no momuni na busuafo like oma jawale empodi da o oma be ware the next thing about hu yan say girl say me no won komo bi na me pa chop me den ka me pa on say me jealous on say me no uni obi kasakra na ye me ya o yes but me papa say me ware no me ma ya mo so mo invitation card neni and ka boy any down
come yes all this one na obi oho and oba say wo mombo ano and wo di na do some pempen so no
say wo me fa we ya for us ka say free
but some ka bi
me pa right I mean to
we dey asema mo kan asem no kwe pa enze you know we are fiki say dia o ye jealous no e no kwe me an ka na ya to because the ban say that fiki say o do me pa so bwa we no even o ko are in ba for ka they we chat to hu atunga on fashion ka o say ai o ka tin bi a che na me fa ane na se fo se na obwa na mko wenye ni ba for ka so ko wa ni ina sama mo kan le no kwe pa na mi sha mo ni ba pa mo
na mi sha won so pa asemo obi wo no ma kasla me say asema mi nwane ka che o say girl no yes jealous I just we hu say boy na ko ma me hwe hwan na fro it is eba sa boy so trim yan dey say me woman dey mean cheat that not knowing say na girl no ko ware
what you say kwaba too much jealous na e ka no obi dey utum say yes stream we dey bro adwene ntiase so sister that ko ehwe ne ade wanya obi ko wa na na wo dey ka chere me busa na sa question no
eba ton so
no what you are doing come on I am a human being I will fault me now so
ya fa last call away ya from say
hello
yes boss ya from say
yeah your friend serious man me ka say person
serious man me pa cho yeah last call away ntio
yeah me ba cho the person be say oba no yo bi bisa maybe a oni obi ho no aboa na kudu be preso bia so betumi aju sika
Ubet majusika ho.
Nyawa ya mani bia betumi aju.
Okay, dama experience ho.
O say show your life experience in you know. You show your life experience in you.
Because I have from the news for na yanko.
Come just as here kanu. Minim say after we no confirm be free me di nkomo. Number na 0246 272 392 0246 272 especially nipa na of phrase see as obetimi ajusika no minya nka metie ne voice pa na edi nkomo yi
ya pon afo na course ne ba me so ya class ya fa course news for me bo boy ukrom ha ya coffee ya from Jenny me champion boatin Cosmos and ya wada ye de ne de nsa kogu o try Friday o try God willing we will be having D Crime the 5-star general in the house yes so stay tuned ya news is up on your radio ya from Jenny me champion